This video is an installation demonstration and should not take the place of installation instructions for this product. Always consult the installation instructions before installing VaporShield products. So in this application, I've already got our lower floor installed, just like we did before. And in this case, we're not going to use a horizontal piece as a floor transition. We don't need to. So we're going to go ahead and install another vertical roll of what the second floor would be directly over the top in shingle fashion. So we want a minimum offset on our vertical seams of 6 inches. I've already started our next floor up above installation, so I'm just going to finish pulling this down. Once again, we're shingle fashion over the layer below. Get the bubbles out. Make sure it's overlapped very well. If you have any additional questions regarding the installation of this self-adhered product, please consult the installation instructions available on our website, vaporshield.com. That's a wrap.